It's already 10:30 a.m. Proceeding to Boulders. These are the Mount Apo expedition team. The Sandugay. The Sandugay team. It's June Aladao who carry the guitar. It's Homeboy of Mati, Lion Tiger, Junjun. And the last but not the least, our triathlete Jeb Jeb. Okay. We are at the forest here. This is Amon National Forest. Going up.